I'm James Sweeney, and here is your morning market brief. As always, we first begin overseas, and the major Asian Pacific markets were down overnight, with the Shanghai Composite off roughly 0.73%. European markets right now trading moderately lower, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a negative open. Now, first, we once again return to Europe. This as Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou is meeting opposition leader Antonis Samaras today in order to form a new national unity government that would help assist Greece to elections and pass crucial austerity measures. As part of this plan, Papandreou will step down, and former deputy president of the European Central Bank, Lucas Papademos, is expected to be the new prime minister. Meanwhile, in Italy, Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi said rumors of his resignation were unfounded. Markets had picked up earlier today on rumors that Berlusconi was resigning, and it helped continue to widen 10-year Italian bond yields. Meanwhile, in Germany, industrial production figures fell roughly 2.7% in the month of October, this after declining 1% the previous month. And in economic reports in the United States at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will see the release of the Consumer Credit Report for the month of September. Consensus is for a $5 billion month-over-month change. Now, in company news, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway boosted its third quarter operating earnings by roughly 36.8% to $3.81 billion, but $1.59 billion in losses in its derivatives positions led to a drop in the company's net earnings to roughly $2.29 billion. BP's agreement, meanwhile, to sell its $7.1 billion stake in Argentinian Pan American Energy LLC to China's CNOOC has collapsed this morning. This after Argentina's president ordered energy companies to repatriate export revenue. And three of Greece's biggest banks, Alpha Bank, EFG, as well as Piraeus, issued 6.4 billion euros of government-guaranteed bonds, and that they will use that as collateral to receive funding from central banks.